quality center, which is a defect tracking tool. So very, very important. As we discussed earlier, there are two different types of components available here in the quality center. What are they? Site admin and quality center. Site admin and then quality center. Okay. So now see here. See, we have VMware Workstation available on our desktop. Okay. So just double click on your VMware Workstation. Just double click on your VMware Workstation. So once you double click on your VMware Workstation, see here, you'll be having QA here. You'll be having QA. So just click on this QA. So once you click on this QA, you'll be able to see power on this virtual machine, or you'll be able to see resume this virtual machine. Power on this virtual machine, or once you start using it, you will be able to see resume. Okay, so just click on this resume this virtual machine.
Hello, Achana, I couldn't install.
Oh, you couldn't install. So now,
I couldn't.
yeah, tomorrow go ahead and install it. You have got all the links that you have to go ahead and download. Abati, did you get all the software links which you have to go ahead and download on your system? You are muted. Okay, so username is administrator. Okay, there is no password. Everyone, username is administrator. There is no password. Just click on OK. So once you click on OK, see here, this is how our VMware Workstation looks like. Let me close everything. Okay, see here.
Hello, Archana. It's not asking me for password,
What?
but it is showing me some another window saying administrator.
Yeah, see once again. You're able to see now?
Yeah?
You're able to see my screen? VMware Workstation.
Yeah, I can.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. So this is how our VMware Workstation looks like. So I told you there are two different types of components available here in the quality center. What are they? Site admin and a quality center. Site admin and quality center. Okay. Now first one is a site admin. So what is the site admin? It is only admin's activity. As a tester, we are not going to use this. The admin only will go ahead and use the site admin. So why he is using the site admin? To go ahead and provide the privileges. That means to go ahead and provide username and password, or like to log in into quality, you need some username and password. So who is going to provide that username and password? Your admin. But here we don't have any admin. So that is the reason we will only go ahead and open a site admin. We will create a user, we will create a domain, and then we will go ahead and log in into our quality center tool. Okay, so double click on your site admin. So this is how our site admin looks like. Okay, and then once you double click on your site admin, see here, username is admin. There is no password. Okay, username is admin. There is no password. Just click on login. Okay, so see here, this is how our quality center looks like. This is how our quality center looks like. Okay, so first they will try to go ahead and create a domain. You know what is a domain? See, banking is a domain, healthcare is a domain, e-commerce, retail. So these are all the different domains that we have. These are all the different domains that we have. Okay, so now see here, let us first go ahead and try to create a domain. So let me go ahead and delete this banking. Okay, so now what I will do is I will try to create a domain. So what is a domain I'll go ahead and create? Let's say we are going to create a banking domain. Let's say we are going to create a banking domain. So how the admin is going to create a domain? Go to default and then click on this create domain. Click on this create domain. So what is the name of the domain here? Banking. Click on OK. See, banking domain has been created. Yes or no? Banking domain has been created. So under this banking domain, we are going to create a project. So before we create a project, let us go to site users. That means who all are going to work in this banking domain. We will go ahead and create the user. So go to your site users and then see here. Click on this new user. Click on this new user. So what is the name of the user here? Let's say the name of the user here is Abati. Click on OK. See, Abati has been created. I want to create another new user. So click on this new user. So what is the name of the user here? The name of the user here is what is the name of the user? Mandar. Click on OK. And then click on this new user again. So what is the name of the user here? So let's say the name of the user is, I'll give another username, that is Mandi. Okay, and then click on this new user. So the name of the user is Mandeep. I have created Mandar Abati. And then next user is Sapna. Click on OK. See, another user has been created. Again, click on this new user. So name of the user is LG. Okay, click on OK. See, all the users have been created here. Am I right? All the users have been created. Okay, now what I will do, I will try to go ahead and create a password. I would like to go ahead and create a password. So how can I go ahead and create a password? Right click on the user, go to password. Right click on the user and then go to password. So what is the name of the password here? The name of the password here is, if ever you wanted to give any password, just go ahead and enter the password. If not, just cancel it. If ever you wanted to give password, right click on this user, go to password and then enter the password. Okay. Now go to your site projects. Okay, and then now see here, click on create a project. Under this banking, I would like to create a project. So under banking, you have so many projects like Bank of America, Chase Bank, Citizens Bank, First National. These are all the different banks. So just click on this create a project. So then create an empty project and then click on next. What is the project name? Bank of America. The name of the project is Bank of America. Which domain? Banking domain. And then click on next. Click on next. Click on OK. So now move this to here. Just select this, click on this arrow mark. Select this, click on this arrow mark. Select this, click on this arrow mark. See, I'm moving all these users to this project. And then click on this and next. And then click on this create. Click on this and create. See, Project Bank of America created successfully. Click on OK. That's it. See, Bank of America project has been created successfully. Bank of America project has been created successfully. So now who all are working for this Bank of America? See, Bank of America users. Abati, Elichu, Mandar, Mandeep, Sapana. So these are all the users who are going to work for this Bank of America project. Okay. Now, this is how you are going to create the domain, add the users, and then you are going to create a project. So this all you will go ahead and do it in the qualities site admin. Now you will go ahead and log in into our quality center. So you know quality center is nothing but it is a defect tracking tool. So just double click on our quality center. See here, this is how our quality center looks like, and see here it is asking you to enter the login name. Okay, so I will just go ahead and enter Mandeep name. And did I give any password to her? No, I did not provide any password. So don't give any password. Just click on authenticate. Just click on authenticate. So once you click on authenticate, see here to which project Mandeep has been assigned to banking project. So just choose the name of the domain as banking, and then the project is Bank of America, and then click on login. And then click on login, and then click on close. Okay, so see here, click on close. So this is how our quality center looks like. So quality center is nothing but it is a defect tracking tool. So these are all the tabs that you have here in this quality center. So altogether you have 8 different tabs available here in the quality center. Altogether you have 8 different tabs available here in the quality center. What are they? Management, requirements, business components, test plan, test resources, test lab, defects, and dashboard. So these are all the 8 different tabs that you have in the quality center. So out of these 8 tabs, we are going to use only 5 tabs. Out of these 8 tabs, we are going to use only 5 tabs. What are they? Management, requirements, test plan, test lab, and defects. Management, requirements, test plan, test lab, and defects. Okay, now coming to the first one is the management tab. So what do you understand by management tab?
Client.
Management, requirements, test plan, test lab, and defect. Now coming to the first one. What do you understand by management? Management means what? Why we are using this management tab? To manage all the releases in the quality center, we are using this management tab. Okay, we are using this management tab to manage all the releases in the quality center. So let's say you have a 2 years project. So after 2 years, you will not show what you have done to the client, right? That means every 2 months or 3 months, you will show what you have done to the client. Okay, so let's say we are working for a banking project. So go to management, go to release, and then click on this new folder. Click on this new folder. So what is the name of this bank? Let's say we are working on this banking project. So enter banking and then click on OK. See, banking project has been created. Okay, banking project has been created. Okay, under this banking we are going to have number of releases. So let's say we all together we have like 3 releases in a project. Altogether we have 3 releases in a project. Okay, so now go to banking and then click on this new release, not on this folder. Listen carefully. Not on this folder. Click on this new release. So what is the name of the release here? Release 1. Okay, click on OK. So release 1 has been created. And then create another release. So how we are going to create another release? Go to banking and then again click on this new release. Again click on this new release. So what is the name of the release here? Release 2, and then click on OK. Now again go ahead and click on this another release I wanted to create. So again go to banking and then click on this new release. So what is the name of the release here? Release 3, and then click on OK. See, release 3 has been created. Release 1, release 2, release 3 has been created. So under each and every release, we are going, so client will say, okay, I want to perform so and so types of testings under release 1. So what will do? Again go to release 1 and then click on this new cycle. Click on this new cycle. So let's say the name of, so the client will say, I want to go ahead and perform sanity testing. So sanity testing and then click on OK. See, sanity testing has been created. Now again go to release 1 and then click on this new cycle. So what is the name of the cycle here? Release 2. Then click on OK. See, sorry. Let's say another type of testing here is a compatibility testing. I'll put. And then click on OK. See, compatibility testing has been created. Again, go ahead and create another type of testing under this release 1. So go to release 1 and then click on this new cycle. So what is the name of the cycle here? Smoke test. And then click on OK. See, under release 1, so and so types of testings have been created. Now go to release 2 and then click on this new cycle. So what is the name of the cycle here? Let's say usability testing. Usability testing. Okay, usability testing and then click on OK. See, usability testing has been created. Now again go to release 2 and then click on this new cycle. So what is the name of the cycle here? The name of the cycle is let's say performance testing. Not performance, let's say configuration testing. And then click on OK. See, under release 2 again another type of testing has been created. So like that they will go ahead and create all the different types of testings under each and every release. Now go to release 1 and then see here in the right side you have details. Are you following? Sapna, Mandeep, everyone?
Yes.
No. Yes.
I'm trying to catch up. Yeah.
I'm having trouble like following you.
Okay, I will go a little bit slow again. Okay, so all together, let's say we have 3 different types of releases available. Okay, so let's say release 1, release 2, release 3. See, in a project, let's say the project for 2 years. After 2 years, you will not show what you have done to the client. Am I right? Yes or no? For every
Yes.
2 months or 3 months, you will show what you have done, because see, if the client
Yes.
doesn't like something, after 2 years he can't go ahead and make the changes, entire changes from the beginning. So and then you will
Right.
show to the client, okay, is this correct, is this correct? So if the client is satisfied, proceed for the next step. Okay, so now go to your release. Client will say, okay, in this release is for like 3 months. Okay, so in this 3 months you have to perform all these types of testing. Release 1. Did you understand now? Yes.
I'm
Again,
understanding.
yeah. Yes, Mandeep.
Yes, I'm understanding, but I was trying to do it by side by side. So
No. Don't do any one of them. Never do that.
okay,
Okay? Once after the class is completed, do it. If you're not understanding, come back again tomorrow and say that I'm not getting this. Okay?
okay,
If you do simultaneously, you will not understand here, nor you can't do it over there. Okay? So first listen and then later on you try. It will be easy. Okay, so now see here, go to release 1 now. When you go to release 1, see here in the right side you have details, attachments, progress and a quality. Right? Now go to your details. So once you go to your details, see here the name is release 1 and the start date is what? Let's say we have already started this release 1. Okay, let's say I have already started this release 1. So let's say I have started in the month of October 1st 2017, and when you are going to end, let's say in the month of December 25th 2017. Okay, December 25th 2017, and then coming to progress. So once you come to progress, see here total days in a release are how many? Altogether you have 25 days in a release. Altogether, 85 days in a release. That means from October to December altogether you have 85 days. So remaining days in a release are how many? 47 days. You have 47 days. So total instances in a release are 0, remain, so this already 0. Okay, so here see here 44% of the days have been finished. That means we are left with like another 46%, another 56% of the days. Okay, that means if you are done with like another 47 days, your release 1 will be completed. So if ever you wanted to attach any documents which are related to this release 1, attachments, and then attach the documents here. Go ahead and attach the documents here. Now go to your release 2. So once you go to your release 2, again you go to your details. So when your release 2 is going to start, only of release 1 only your release 2 will start. Am I right? So now go to your release 2 and then start date. So let's say so let's say we are going to start this project in the month of January 1st, 2018. And we are going to end, let's say, in the month of May 15th, 2018, you are going to end your release 2. Then again go to your progress. So once you go to your progress, in case if you are not able to see anything here, refresh this. See here, you have refresh or else F5. Just click on refresh. So you'll be able to see like total days in a release. So altogether you have 134 days. Altogether you have 134 days in a release. So remaining days are also 134 because we did not start the project yet. Okay, we did not start the project yet. Okay, we did not start the project yet. So remaining days are how many? Like 0% of the days have been finished because we did not start the project yet. Okay, if ever you wanted to go ahead and attach any documents, go to your attachments and attach all the requirements here. Okay, attach all the requirements here. Okay, any questions until here?
No.
No?
Yep.
Yes. Okay. Now, next one is what? See here. Now you can go for the release 3. So when release 3 is going to start, only after completion of release 1 only your release 2 will start. Only after completion of release 1 only your release 2 will start. Okay. Any questions? So this is how you are going to maintain all the releases in your management tab. You are going to manage all the releases like this in your management tab. So in real time you are not going to manage all these releases. So who is going to manage all these releases?
That means
Project manager or your client will be managing all the releases in your management tab. Okay, did you understand? Only project manager or your client is going to manage all your releases in your management tab. Okay, now we go for requirements. So what do you understand by requirements?
Jiras.
We are using this requirements tab to manage all the requirements. Manage all the requirements in the requirements tab. Okay, so now see here, I have a requirements sheet available. See here, test scenarios. So these are all the requirements that I have. I think someone is facing problem in connecting about. See here, this is how our requirements tab look like. Okay, this is how our requirements tab looks like. So what does this requirements tab contain? Why we are using this requirements tab? To manage all the requirements. So here, let's see you have all the main requirements here. What are they?
Transport homepage, admin homepage.
RAM for homepage. So these are all the main requirements. RAM for homepage, admin homepage, branches, right? Roles. These are all the main requirements. What are the sub requirements? URL, all visitor links, admin login, banker login, customer login. These are all the sub requirements. These are all the sub requirements. Okay, and under this you have for this you have the description. What are they? You'll verify URL with valid data, with invalid data. You'll verify all visitor links. Okay, so these are all the test scenarios. Okay, so now see here. This is the main requirement. So go to your quality center. You are going to manage all the requirements here in your requirements tab. So go to your requirements here. Go to your requirements here and then click on this new folder. Click on this new folder. So what is the name of the folder here? RAM for homepage. So copy this RAM for homepage, go to your quality center and paste it here. Okay, and then click on OK. See here, RAM for homepage has been created. Am I right? Yes or no? RAM for homepage has been created. Okay, so under this RAM for homepage, what you have to do is you have to go ahead and create all the sub requirements. So under this, what is the sub requirement? URL. Okay, yeah. So go copy this URL, go to quality center, go to your RAM for homepage, and then click on this new requirement. Click on this new requirement. So what is the name of the requirement here? URL, and then click on OK. Click on this new requirement. See, a new requirement has been created, a URL has been created. So under this URL, you have to go ahead and write this description. What is that? You'll verify a URL with valid data and with invalid data. So copy it, paste it here, and then click on submit. See, when you click on submit, see in the quality center, you will be able to see this URL. Am I right? You are able to see this URL. Okay, now again under this Ramford homepage, if you wanted to go ahead and create another sub requirement, then again copy this all visitor links, go to your quality center, select your Ramford homepage, and then click on this new requirement. So what is the new requirement here? All visitor links, and then click on OK. Okay, and then description. Description is what? Go ahead and enter the description here. See, verify all visitor links. So copy it and then paste it here, and then click on submit. Okay, so this is how you are going to create all the sub requirements under your main requirement. Okay, so now see here, this is the main requirement and these are all the sub requirements. Now if ever you want to go ahead and create another main requirement here, then what you will do? Again go to your requirement and then click on this new folder. So what is the main requirement here again? Admin homepage. Admin homepage. So copy it and then paste it here and then click on OK. See, admin homepage has been created. Am I right? See, admin homepage has been created. So under this admin homepage, again you should have sub requirements. So you can go ahead and maintain all the sub requirements under your requirements. Okay. Any questions until here?
No.
Huh?
So this requirements will be provided by business analyst, right?
What is that?
So this all the requirements will be provided by business analyst, right?
Yes, business analyst will go ahead and provide all these requirements. Yep.
Okay.
Okay. Yes. So now coming to your test plan. What is this test plan? Why we are using this test plan?
Manage be on time.
What is this test plan. Why we are using this test plan?
Just to manage the time.
We are using
Schedule.
this test plan tab to manage all the test cases here in the quality center. We are using this test plan to maintain all the test cases here in the quality. Okay, so what you have to do is go to your test plan, go to your subject, and then one more thing is I have my test cases available here. So just double click on our test cases. See here, this is how our test cases looks like. This is how our test cases looks like. Okay, so now go to your test case ID. So this is the test case ID. So copy it, go to your quality center. Okay, then click on this new folder. So what is the name of the folder here? This is the name of the folder, and then click on OK. See, a folder has been created, right? And then under this, we are going to create a URL. So copy this URL, go to your quality center, select this one, and then click on this subfolder. Paste it here, URL, and then click on OK. Okay, and then see here your URL has been created. Now go to your design steps. Whatever the steps you have here in the test cases, you are going to maintain all the steps. Okay, so copy it. Go to your design steps. Click on this new step. Click on this new step. So what is the new step here? This is the step. Enter valid URL and click on go. So copy it, paste it here, and then come to your expected result. So what is your expected result? This is your expected result. What is that? System should display Ramford home page. System should display Ramford home page. Okay, so copy it, go to your quality center, and then paste it here. And then click on OK. See here, step has been created or not? Right? A step has been created. Now, I want to go ahead and create another step. To go ahead and create another step, again click on this add a new folder. Click on this add new folder. Okay, now coming to your description. Description is what? See here. Again, click on home button. So copy it. Go to your quality center, paste it here, and then coming to your expected result. What is your expected result? This is your expected result. So copy it, paste it here, and then click on OK. See here, step 2 has been created. Step 1 and step 2 has been created. Okay. So this like this, you can go ahead and create all the number of steps. Okay. Now, next one is you have to go ahead and create the test lab. So test plan, you have maintained all the test cases. But in test lab, what you have to do? You have to execute all the test cases. You have to execute all the test cases. So will you practice until here, everyone? If I tell this one again, you'll get confused. So are you going to practice until here? Mandar, Mati, Sapna,
Yes.
Elchin. Yeah.
Yes, I will.
Until here. Abati, are you there? I think he's getting disconnected. I don't know. Okay.
Yes, we can.
What is that? Elchin, are you there? Yeah, okay. Yeah, I think Ugar hasn't joined, right? So make sure like what happened.
Oh yeah, he'll join tomorrow. So.
Yeah, because the training desk also was trying to reach, did not answer it. So make sure like, okay? Okay guys, so we will see tomorrow at the same time and practice until here. If ever you're not getting anything, just let me know. Okay?
Yeah, you are sending recording, right?
Yeah, definitely. I will send you the recording. Don't worry. I'll send you the recording.